Welcome students. Today we are going to see Unit 7 Atoms and Molecules. Objectives of this unit: Introduction, Main postulates of modern atomic theory, Atom and atomic mass, Relative atomic mass, and Average atomic mass. In this video, we are going to see the introduction part. First, we have to see the various theory of atom proposed by the different scientists. See, atom, what is the shape, what are the particles present inside the atom? See, lot of scientists described as per their explanation. First, who described the atom, that is John Dalton in 1803. What he proposed or what he explained, atoms are tiny, hard spheres, but they cannot split up. So that is the part that John Dalton he explained. But he has some drawbacks. He didn't explain lot of things. So for that explanation, someone will come and explain the drawbacks of John Dalton. So who explained the charged particles, that is J.J. Thomson. In 1897, he explained that charged particles present inside the atom, that is electrons are distributed inside the positive mass like a plum pudding. So like plum pudding, the electrons looks like electrons also revolve around the atom. But he has also some drawbacks. He didn't explain some later topics. So the last who came and explained, that is Ernest Rutherford. He told that inside the atom a nucleus is present. Most of the atom is empty space. So lot of scientists accepted the concept of Ernest Rutherford. So lot of the scientists explained the theory of atom. Finally, who derived or who explained the final concept of atom? Let we see. Models of atom. What are the models? Greek model, Thomson-Plum-Pudding model, Rutherford model, Bohr's model, charge cloud model. Present is that atoms looks like charge cloud model. So these are all the model described by various scientists. They told this is the shape of the atom. Thomson told the atoms looks like a plum pudding. Bohr told the electrons is revolve around the atom. So lot of scientists described the shape or the model of the atom. Main postulates of modern atomic theory. See, what the first point or first postulates of modern atomic theory is atom is no longer indivisible. And the second point, atom of the same element may have different atomic mass. That means element is same, but mass number is different. If you are seeing chlorine have same atomic number, that is 17, but the mass number is different. The chlorine, that is isotope. So what is the third point? Atoms of different element have same atomic mass. That means isobar. See, different element. Let me see the example. Argon and calcium. Argon and calcium are different element. But if you are seeing the atomic mass, both of them have same. That is 40. If you are seeing that atomic number, that is different. So in this term we call it as an isobars. So that is the postulates, first three postulates of modern atomic theory. Atoms of one element can be transmuted into atoms of other elements. So in other words, atoms is no longer indestructible. And atoms may not always combine in a simple whole number ratio. So 6 is to 12, that glucose ratio 6 is to 12 is to 6. So whole number ratio. And atoms is the smallest particle that takes part in the chemical reaction. So atom is the smallest particle, but that atom is also take part in the chemical reaction. The mass of the atom can be converted into energy, that is Einstein mass energy is equal to mc square. So these are all the main postulates of modern atomic theory. Atom and atomic mass. So just you have to see the picturization of atom and subatomic particles. But in this example and the atom subatom already you had discussed or you had learned in the previous class. From E6 itself you know that what are the subatomic particles, define atom, everything you know that. Atomic mass unit, AMU. So what is the meaning or what is the definition of atomic mass unit? Atomic mass unit is 1/12 of the mass of a carbon 12 atom, an isotope of carbon which contains 6 protons and 6 neutrons. So atomic mass unit is 1/12 of the mass of carbon atom. So where we have used this atomic mass unit, see, 1 atomic mass unit is equal to 1/12, that means 1/12 of the mass of carbon 12 into 12 divided by 6.023 into 10 to the power 23, that is the Avogadro number. So this is the way you have to calculate. So 1 atomic mass unit is equal to 1.66 into 10 to the power minus 27 kg. Relative atomic mass unit. So relative atomic mass, what is the definition of relative atomic mass? Relative atomic mass of an element is the ratio between the average mass of isotope to 1/12th part of the mass of carbon 12 atom. So every atomic mass is compared with the 1/12th part of the mass of carbon 12 atom. So isotope of carbon 12 atom is always compared with the each and every relative atomic mass of an element. So it is denoted as AR, that means relative atomic mass. It is otherwise called as standard atomic weight. So relative atomic mass is equal to average mass of the isotope of the element is 1/12th of the mass of one carbon 12 atom. Some examples given for the relative atomic mass of elements, that is carbon 12 scale. Elements symbol and relative atomic mass. Hydrogen symbol, you know, hydrogen H, relative atomic mass is 1. So like that carbon, nitrogen, oxygen, sodium, magnesium along with the relative atomic mass is given with the carbon 12 scale. Average atomic mass. What is the meaning of average atomic mass? The definition is average atomic mass of an element is the weighted average of the masses of its naturally occurring isotopes. That means mass of first isotope into percentage of abundance of first isotope plus mass of second isotope into percentage of abundance of second. So how can you calculate the average atomic mass? See, the given element of the average atomic mass 9. First isotope is 9 into percentage, so divided by 100. Abundance of first isotope 50. So like that you have to calculate. Finally what you have to get 9.5. So in this slide we are going to see the examples how can find out the average atomic mass of carbon. So using that above formula you have to find out the average atomic mass of carbon. So the value is 12.011 atomic mass unit. So here some values of atomic mass unit is given. Hydrogen 1.008, helium, lithium. So few examples has to be given to find the above formula. By using the above formula, these values we have to get. So up to the above content we had discussed. So questions has to be asked from this video. Silent features of modern atomic theory. Definition: define relative atomic mass, average atomic mass, atomic mass unit. Thank you, students.